Okay, hello everyone. Today's activity is it's on Cami. What you need to do, you have to conjugate the imperfect, the verb ser, ver, and ir. Ser is to be, ver is to see, ir is to go. Now, the imperfect is used to talk about things that happened in the past. It describes habitual actions, customary things that you used to do and you no longer do them. For example, yo era joven. Tú eras joven, él era joven. Éramos muy jóvenes, we were very young. Lo veía frecuentemente, I used to see him often. Iban a llamarnos, they were going to call me. Something that habitual or something that happened in the past and that doesn't happen anymore. Now at the bottom, what you need to do is you need to make these into sentences. Number one, yo activo programas de música rock. Okay, so you need to put that into a sentence. And look at the model here. Always look at the model. Roque era terrible y siempre veía películas de terror. So how do you put this into a sentence? Number one, yo era activo y siempre veía programas de música rock. Number two, Felipe era serio y siempre veía programas documentales. So just follow the pattern. At the bottom over here, dice hay que cancelar. We need to cancel. Ayer por la tarde estas personas tenían planes especiales, pero llovió toda la tarde y tuvieron que suspender sus planes. ¿Qué iban a hacer? So these they had plans in the afternoon, but it began to rain. Now they need to change their plans or suspend their plans. For example, yo iba a ir al parque. I was going to go to the park. Nosotros íbamos a jugar. We were going to play tennis. So number one, if you look at number one, Juana, she's washing the car. So you can put number one, Juana iba a lavar el carro. Number two, los niños iban al zoológico. Okay, so again, you're putting these in the imperfect, which is something that you used to do or habitual action in the past. Okay, so let me know if you have any problems. Thank you very much.